All right, so the next thing is we are going to look at how to customize the quick access toolbar, which is what we have here. You can add different kind of things, different kind of commands at the quick access toolbar over here. You can add different kind of commands, and you may be able to add different kind of commands also on the ribbons over here. So to do that, all you need to do is to open your Microsoft Word and come to these three dots over here and just click on it, and you can enable or disable different things. Okay, but if you want to add commands, you can just come all the way to more commands, or you can add read aloud on the quick access toolbar. You can easily click on it and you can see it added the read aloud button, and then you can add draw table. Also, you can see it over here and it can easily draw a table for you. Okay, if you want to remove a given command, you can just come to the three dots and unselect it, and you can see it removes it, and unselect read aloud, also it removes it. So to add from custom commands or from the most popular commands, you still come to the three dots and come to the more commands over here. You have access to the ribbon and toolbar. Okay, so the ribbons are what we have here. Okay, what we have here are the ribbons, like I've explained, and this at the top over here is the quick command. So the ribbons, you have a number of things. For example, right now we have these defaults. Okay, we have the home tab, which you can see we have home tab, we have outlining, we have background remover, we have insert, draw, design, layout, references. All this we have at the home tab. You can enable or disable any of them, and once you save over here, it's going to disappear from the main ribbon. Okay, and you can add anything that you want. For example, we may want to add this draw table. We can add it into our ribbons. Okay, we can add it into our ribbon, but usually to add a given command, you have to just come over here and create a group. You have to select a given feature. Okay, so for example, I want to put in draw table under this draw icon over here. You can click on this small arrow. You can see other features that it has, but then I want to add this draw table under the draw ribbon over here, or the draw tab over here, and you have to create a group. Just click on this and say new group, and it will be created under the draw feature over here. Okay, so you can just come down here and just click on this, and you can rename that group that you've just created, and maybe you can call it other features. Okay, then you can select from the range of different kind of symbols that you can add into it. So let's just select any, just for trial sake. You can just say let's go with something like this, and then we just say save, and you can see it has created a new group to us. And if you want to add something, we can just select that feature and just come all the way and click on add over here, and you can see it has been added under the other features of the draw icon over here. Okay, so when we go back, once you save this, you will be able to see this draw table under this draw feature. Okay, and you can see it, the draw table listed under the other features. These are the most popular commands, like I've explained earlier. You can check on all commands in Microsoft Word and you can see a bunch of them. Okay, so if you have an idea of any command that you want to bring in that you don't see currently on Microsoft Word, you can just come over here, search for it. They are arranged according to letters. Okay, so you can check around and search. Once you find anyone that you like, you can just select, create a group and add it. So this is ribbons. Okay, you can check out on quick access toolbar as well. This right now we have the turn auto save, home, and the save, undo, repeat, and print, which are all what we have here. Okay, these are all what we have here. If you want to add anything as well, you can just select it and just quickly add it. Okay, just like we have shown. You can add the draw table also on this feature. So you can just click on this. In the quick access toolbar, you don't need to create any group. You can just select a feature and just add it, and it is going to add directly into over there. Once you have saved it, it's going to come up at the quick access toolbar. So right now we have added draw table. Let's say we added, and we add another one like add table over here. We can just select it, and then we can add one more. Maybe we can add draw vertical text box, and then you can just say all this, and then maybe you can add editor over here. You just click to add, and once you click on save, you will see them appear at the top over here. Very easily and nice, and you can have access to them very, very fast. Okay, so you don't have to go searching for them. You can easily have access directly to them and go on and do your editing very peacefully and nice. So this is how to customize the ribbon. Okay, you can do all sort of things over here and customize and bring in different features. What I forgot to share with you is this: at the top you have the file menu where you can do all sort of things, like you can check on properties, you can do save as, you can move items. I will show you how to move items. You can open documents. Later I will show you how to open document. You can check out editing features, you can check out the view options as well. You can enable or disable anything from here. You can insert different kind of things, from equations to text box to footnotes to all sort of things. Formats, you can format fonts, okay, and check out different kind of things, toolbars and tools, tables and windows. You can check everything at this point. All right guys, so that does it for customizing the quick access toolbar and the ribbons in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.